We're violating rule number 23 at the Greenbrier Mall.
Let him in.
I'm coming. In Chesapeake, Virginia. This is actually a retake for me.
This is an Otis Series 1. And technically, we're in the mall after it closed.
Yeah.
Oh well.
But you're also in violation of Rule 23.
I think I already went over that. We're in violation.
You already talked about that?
Yeah, we're already in violation of rule number
Any
23.
illegal activity is not allowed here.
I don't think taking a picture of the elevator is illegal.
What's still violation of rule number 23?
Yes.
Press those PTL buttons to take us up to 2.
Praise the Lord.
Let's listen to that motor.
And the fan.
What a nice view of the parking lot.
There's a closed mall.
The
It's
mall
kind of dead out
is
there.
closed.
But it's a nice mall though.
Ooh, the door closed when I pushed the button.
That door.
This elevator leaves a little to be desired, but don't let it fool you. The mall is really nice.
Look at the door over there, man. Come on.
There was gum in the other elevator, and this one has pickles.
Pickles.
We gotta practice our social distancing.
Yeah. Shall I exit the elevator first thing? So.
Yep, let's watch it go up.
Alrighty. See you later, Greenbrier Mall.
Bye, Greenbrier Mall. Sorry. I'm gonna go behind you.
What are they doing?
There it goes. Up goes the elevator to the food court. It's in ground.
Down inside.
And that'll be it.
Yeah, there's a bunch of trash down there.
Okay. All right, this is the mall's parking lot.
That is it.
There's an Evan, and there's a Jason.
Very dirty pit.
And here
Yeah.
comes the elevator down. Look at that. And there's an Aaron. The elevator automatically came back down. Look at that. That'll be it.